Okay.
That one? You gonna get that? Andy. Okay, period. I'm hungry. It's actually almost 3 o'clock. It's past 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten nothing.
Okay.
But air.
You need to practice your script, girly.
Yana and Keon. Guys, that story would.
That would be a
Wait, no,
comedy.
not Keon. Jack.
But it's the thing.
That should be.
Tasteful.
I'm not gonna lie. That should be a comedy.
And then I was thinking about the title being, was it on accident or was it on purpose?
Okay, you gonna direct it?
The day I found out my husband was.
You gonna direct it?
I'm gonna write it, guys. I'm gonna think of names of people. I'm not gonna use their real name.
Are you going to the entrepreneur thing?
I plan on it.
What's that?
It's like we get to showcase what we do because I write stories. It's in February now.
It's in February?
Yeah, because no one has been putting in applications. But they find a note, one of his old suicidal notes that said, "If you're reading this, then I'm dead." And so that made them believe he died. And so they went through the whole entire system to figure out why this entire company has good things only. It's like you can't find out what happened to the people or where they went. So there's something investigating.
Well, my boyfriend at the time behind my back, and I knew it. I knew it, right? And I was just waiting. You know how people put you in a group chat? Where the hell is she? Where the hell is she?
Damn it, we gotta.
Where the hell is she? Really? Just sit down.
Do you remember how close we were?
Yeah, I do.
What happened to us?
Really?
What?
You were the one. Whoa. Yeah. You were the one that made a mess of everything.
No, I was not. No, I wasn't. No.
Do you think I just woke up one day and decided to talk bad about myself?
I don't know, maybe.
Do you think I just woke up one day and started talking bad about myself? Did you? Do you think I just woke up one day and started talking bad about myself?
I don't know, maybe.
So you think I just woke up one day and started talking bad about myself?
I don't know.
You've got to be kidding me.
What?
You know what? You know what? Never mind. I didn't bring you here just to... Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Look serious.
Your daddy was home when you left.
You're right. Whoa.
I saw it in the camera, dude.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I made a serious face and she laughed.
Don't make serious faces.
You look like Tupac. I don't know.
Tupac is insane. Say your line.
Say go like you
I
used to
said
did.
go.
You did?
Yes.
She's used to people saying action.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
She's a
I'm supposed to.
theater kid. You
I'm
gotta
supposed to say action, but I don't do it.
You gotta work.
You know what? Never mind. I didn't bring you here just to fight.
Record her too.
I'm not. What? Did your brain go blank too?
Girl, that was like 1,000 times.
I was about to say the other one. I was like, what about you? And I realized I'm saying chew and not you.
You know the gumball and Darwin scene? What? Not a bad chew. That is hilarious.
This
is not about you! Not about you? What does that mean? I don't know. Sounds Cantonese.
I said, this is not about you.
Not a bad chew?
Not about you!
Yeah, I think she's speaking Cantonese. Okay.
You can't be talking about me. Did you forget your line? You're supposed to go.
You got it.
Oh, I thought
There go your other blooper.
I thought we could fix it. I thought we could fix it. I thought time could fix it. I thought time could fix it. Oh!
Pause. Well, you didn't care enough.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want me to get under?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm about to
I thought you was like gonna stop and then record me all the way.
No, you're supposed to. It's supposed to be like a one-shot thing where you get your stuff and you go and you walk out.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Are we recording?
Yeah.
Hey Darman fans, be sure to leave a message and subscribe. Remember, always trust your friends. I think. Wait. No wait. It's loyalty matters.